Hi everyone, I'm Jordan, and today we're going to teach you how to find the mean, median, mode, and range in a math problem usually used for statistics. Alright, so first we're going to try to figure out how to calculate the mean. So the mean formula is the sum of your data set divided by as many numbers that are in your data set. So we see here we have in our data set 12, 7, 14, 5, 7, 11, and 9. So what we're going to do is we're going to add all these up, and this equals 65, okay? As you can see here, I did the work. So we did 12 plus 7 plus 14 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 9. Divided by 7, you get 65. Then you divide that by 7, you get 9.285. If we round it up, you get 9.28.6. And that is how you calculate the mean. Very simple. And now let's move on to how to find the median. Okay, and now we're on to the median. This is very simple. We're going to use the same exact data set to find the median in this situation. So we're going to use the same numbers. 12, 7, 14, 5, 7, 11, and 9. What you want to do first is you want to put the numbers in increasing order. So from smallest to biggest. So we have 5, 7, 7, 9, 11, 12, and 14. When we're doing a problem to find the median, you want to find the middle number. So in this situation, all you have to do is eliminate the smallest number, the biggest number, second smallest number, second biggest number, and vice versa until you get to the middle number. So that leaves us with 9. And very simply, 9 is our median. So once again, you're going to want to take your data set and set it up in an order where it goes from smallest number to highest numbers and eliminate smallest, biggest, all the way until you get down to the middle number, which would be the median. So in this data set, 9 is our median. And the next thing we're going to look for is the mode. The mode is very easy to find, especially in this example. We're going to use the same exact numbers, and we still have 12, 7, 14, 5, 7, 11, and 9. All numbers appear once except for one number, and that would be number 7 appearing twice. And to find the mode, it is the number with the highest frequency. So in this example, 7 has the highest frequency because it appears twice. So the mode is equal to 7 because it appears twice. And that's how you find the mode. Now we're going to figure out how to calculate the range. The range is also very simple. So we have our same data set, 12, 7, 14, 5, 7, 11, and 9. The range to calculate that is the highest number in your data set minus the smallest number. So the highest number in our data set would be 14. The smallest number would be 5. So all we have to do, highest number minus smallest number, 14 minus 5, and we get 9. And 9 equals our range, very simply. So there you have it. That's how you find the mean, median, mode, and range. Now I'm going to give you some practice problems to do, and we're going to figure it out together. It's very simple. All you have to do is follow the rules and the formula. So here's our new data set, and first we're going to look to find the mean. So take your time to pause the video if you want to figure it out yourself, but I'm going to go ahead and solve it right now. Okay, so we calculated our mean, and the way we did that was 6 plus 14 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 11 plus 9. That equals 56. Now we remember we have to do the total of these numbers divided by how many numbers are there. There's 7 numbers here, so we do 56 divided by 7, and that becomes 8, and that is our mean. Now we're going to be looking for the mode in this problem. And when you're looking at it, you might be thinking, how am I going to find a mode when no number repeats? And that's a good question. We have 6, 14, 8, 5, 3, 11, and 9. Unlike the other problem, there was 2 7s in the other problem. There's no repeating numbers here. So what is the mode? Very simply, there is no mode. So what you would put is none. Since there is no repeating numbers and there's no number with the highest amount of frequency and each number appears an equal amount of times, the answer is none for mode. Now we're going to calculate the range, and then we're also going to do the median because I forgot to do that. So the range, the highest number minus the smallest number. So we have 14 minus 3, and you get 11. Very simple for the range, self-explanatory. For the median, remember we're going to do it in increasing order. So let me write on this real quick. In increasing order, we're going to go 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14. 7 numbers. Then we're going to easily just eliminate smallest, biggest, all the way down, and that leaves us with 8. 8 is the median, and that is another example of how you find mean, mode, range, and median in the data set. Very simple, self-explanatory. Okay, so for the last 2 examples, we've had an odd amount of numbers in the data set. We've had 7 for both. Now I'm going to show you what to do if you have an even amount of numbers in the data set, and we're going to use 8 numbers for this example. Let's do it. So this is our even data set equation. We have 8 numbers, 6, 8, 5, 5, 9, 8, 10, 8. You add that all up, you get 59. Now we do the mean equation. Mean equals the total of numbers added together divided by how many numbers are there, which are 8 numbers. So 59 divided by 8 equals 7.375. And that is the mean of our even data set. Now let's do the median. Actually, before we do the median, let's do the mode. So the mode in this equation, let's do it how we've been doing it before, where we put the numbers in increasing order, and we get 5, 5, 6, 8, 8, 8, 9, and 10. So if we're looking at these numbers here, which number appears the most frequently? You can pause the video to tell me the answer. It's very obviously 8, as we see 3 times here. So the mode of that data set would be 8, as it appears 3 times, having the highest frequency. And how do we do the range? Say it for me. The highest number minus the lowest number. So in this situation, range would be 10 minus 5, which equals 5. And the range is 5. So I hope you guys learned a little bit of something today. That's how you find the mean, median, mode, and range. I know my handwriting is a little bit crazy, but I'm trying to write sideways because I have the tripod on an angle, but I feel like it's very easy to understand how to find these calculations here if you just follow all the steps in the data set and you just follow the rules. Thank you guys for listening or watching. See you next time.